So once again, good morning. In today's video, we are going to see the turning point which has come in the story. Now, what is that turning point? Okay, see, till now we have seen the Robinson family was living on the deserted island, and now they are habitual of living on this island. Almost 10 years they spent on this island, and that's why they gave new name to this island. And what was the new name? It was New Switzerland, right? And during this time, as it is given yesterday, we discussed many adventures happens. Now let us see what happened after that. Now what one day what happened, on the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied to a large bird's leg. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Understood? Now what happened here? One day what happened? The Fritz, the younger, the elder son of the family. Now he was there. Maybe the nearby another small island would have been there. So on that island he was doing something. Maybe he was doing fishing, and during that time, what he found, one bird came. That was an albatross. So that albatross came, and that albatross, when he saw that a human being is sitting on this deserted island, so that albatross tried to attack on him again and again. And when Fritz saw that this bird is trying to harm me, what he did, he knocked him down, and knocked him down, and the bird came down, है ना, समझ में, उसको मारा जोर से और वो नीचे गिर गया. And what he found, when the bird came down, or fall down, he found that there was one rag was tied to the legs of that bird, and there was one message was also written on that. Understood? And what was that message? On that message it was written, an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Understood? Now what happened? Now some thrilling things are going to happen. So when Fritz was sitting there, he was doing something, he smacked down that bird, and he found that tag, something message was written, and he opened and he read, and he got wondered how it is possible that someone had tied this rag on the albatross leg, and he has sent me the message. He did not understand anything in the beginning, and for that what he did, okay, one more thing, the Fritz had no idea how old the message was. After reading that, he understood that there is one woman or a girl is there who is stranded means what, फंसी हुई हो ना, or the meaning is given here somewhere, left alone or helpless. So the helpless woman is there in nearby islands, and that island was described in such a way, how it was described, a smoking rock. And he understood that some woman is in danger somewhere nearby, but he did not understand how old that message was. There was possibility that someone had tied that message on albatross leg, and albatross was moving here and there for maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and by that time that woman might have died. And that's why I did not understand how old that message would have been. And for that, what he did, he contacted his father, and father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. Now Father William, he explained, he told Fritz, see Fritz, from this statement, the girl is stranded or girl is in danger in the smoking rock. Smoking rock means it seems that nearby there might have another island which is, there might have an island which is a volcano, and on that volcano some girl or woman is in danger. But he said, see, for 10 years we are living on this island, and we know they might have इतने आजू बाजू का एरिया भी सब उनको मालूम है. So on these nearby islands we never saw any kind of volcano. It suggests that that woman who is stranded or who is in danger is somewhere very far away from this island, maybe hundreds of miles away, and that is why it is really difficult for us to help that woman. But anyway, Fritz decided that he will help that lady. Understood? And that's why see further what is given here. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help and was determined to do his best to find the sender. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag and retied it to the albatross leg. Okay, and have watched the bird fly off. Now, what happened after that? Fritz decided no, anything, whatever it may be, but one woman, these kids are, these children were very good. They were helpful and everything. It is given because their parents were so much proud on them. So Fritz decided no, if a woman needs my help, I will do that help. And what he did for that, he wrote another message and he tied that message to the leg of the albatross. Okay, and he allowed that albatross to fly, and he just observed where that albatross is going or where that bird is going. Before returning home, he written an own note and watched the bird fly off. The note told whoever received it, do not despair. And what he wrote on that note, he wrote on that note, whoever it is, it may be a woman or anyone. Okay, those who are in danger, do not be despair. No need to be unhappy. No need to be sad because help is near. I am coming to help you. So no need to be sad. Help is near. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman. And then what Fritz did? So Fritz continuously followed that bird, and the bird was flying, and the Fritz was going behind that bird. And in that way, Fritz went up to the another island, we can say, or another rock which is in between the ocean. He went there and he found that really one woman was stranded there. One woman was in danger there. He went there and he rescued that woman. Understood? What was the name of that woman? The name of that woman was Jenny Montrose. So Jenny Montrose was stranded there. So he rescued that lady and he brought that lady to this New Switzerland island to his family, and that lady also now started living along with his family. Though shy at first, soon she got used to live with the Robinson family. Earlier, what happened, that girl when she came, so she was shy, थोड़ा शर्माती थी इनके साथ रहने में, थोड़ा झिझक थी मन में, but slowly and gradually she became the part of this family, and they started living happily, or that girl started living happily with the Robinson family. Understood? And in this way, Fritz saved the life of that girl. Okay, so today let us stop here only. Remaining story we will see in the next part. Thank you very much.